In our previous lectures, we use Apple company's stock price to conduct some data analysis. Data are our ingredients to make food. But how to get these ingredients? In these lectures, I'm going to show you how to acquire data from Yahoo Finance, and these data are free for public to use. Okay, let's go to Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance. Here, we just type in Apple INC, and then with this one AAPL, the ticker. Now we got Apple company's stocks information, a lot of information. If you check every tab here, you can get lots of information. But let's go to historical data. There is there is a whole bunch of uh, data here every day. But we only interesting. We don't need this this amount of data. We interesting every year Apple stars data. Let's go to math. I click math here. That means the year Apple went to public. Look at this, 1918 until today, and click done and show historical price. Click here. Oh yes, that's what we interest. Historical price and frequency. We have three options: daily, weekly, monthly. So too bad. The annual option is not available. But anyway, we just click monthly and then apply. Then we got a data table show every month Apple stars price every month at the day of the first day of every month. So we have a whole bunch of data. Let's click download data. Okay. Go to the download. Click here. Open it. Wow. Now we have the data. And then, but the format of this data is not uh, is not a kind of Excel file. So we we need to export this data to Excel. Export this data to Excel. Next, say it. Okay, export. and then close it. Go to my file to get the data. Now, this is the data we just oh, excuse me, download from Yahoo Finance. Every month from 1980 to 2000, to 2000. There's too much. 2018. So we have about almost 500 data here, 500 row of data here. But as I already mentioned, we only interested in annual data. So now we have monthly data. What shall we do? Don't worry. We just use the filter function here to filter the data. So every year we just pick one data. Which data I'm going to pick? We pick every year the data, one data at December. That means every year I just pick one data at the end of the year, at December. So every year we just pick the data at December 1. The data at December 1. So how to do this? Click at one of the cell at the data table and go to the rubric here and click the data tab. And then click filter. Now every heading at every column has a triangle. Click the triangle at the date column, and then we choose one. Here, filter, choose one. Let's choose end with December 1. Okay, look at it. Now we got every year. We pick one data. We got every year's data at the day of December 1. So we copy this data, the data field to another sheet. Copy, paste, and then we only interested in adjust close the price, because we are going to use adjust close data to adjust close price data to calculate the annual return. So we copy that, paste to another sheet. Now we got the data we interest. That's what we care. AAPL. So we can use this column to conduct our analysis. Let's go back to the original data table. We want to let this data table come back to his original form. We just click filter. Now we got the original data table, and at the sheet 1 we got the data we interested in.